If you've just got your mock exam results back, or just about to take mock exams, but you know that your grades aren't quite where they need to be, what can you do to improve? So really now, at this stage in year 13, there isn't a huge amount of time left, and it's about thinking now, what can you do that's going to be the most efficient way of improving your current grade. And in terms of my recommendation for you, I'd strongly suggest doing some exam question practice, A-level physics questions every day, and really focusing, a good amount of time on the question practice, and then using the feedback that you get from the mark scheme to mark your own work really carefully, and to see what it was you did get, but also where the gaps are and what it was you weren't so sure about. And then really trying to work out what that question required, kind of going back through it with the mark scheme, and just really identifying what was required in that specific question. So this is where my group classes can come in. I can report some really good progress. I have a student reporting a grade A. He's now a solid grade A following his mock exams. He's been in my classes since September, and really the approach has been to focus on a specific topic in the sessions, and really going in depth with the exam question practice on that topic. Students get to practice the questions. We then go through them together. It's quite an informal, sort of, but friendly but hard-working class, and students value the feedback that they get from me. As an experienced tutor, teacher and examiner, I can really focus the students on what's required, and how to improve where they're currently at in terms of their exam question performance. So if my groups might be of interest, I have a place on my Saturday class, which is 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning. This is for year 13, and it's covering 4 topics from year 13. And I have a place on my Wednesday class, which is Wednesday at 7 p.m. And this class is covering year 12 core topics for year 13 students. So you'd be welcome to join either of those 2 classes, and you could sign up for a month, and you could see how it goes for you. I'm currently recruiting for February, so if it might be of interest at all, then please do get in touch. I'd be happy to help and provide more information about the groups. So I have details about my classes on my website, which is www.physicstutoronline.co.uk, and there you will also find an inquiry form. If you're interested in the group classes, then you can fill that out, and then I can get back to you by email with all the details. All right, so anyway, from a very dull sort of Sheffield today, typical January weather, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.